So I come in my bedroom tonight. I had left two $1 bills laying on my bed earlier. And this is what I found. Parts of two $1 bills. Now, who do you think could have done this? Did you do that, Sadie? Did you do that? Look at Mama. Did you do this? Huh? Did you do that? Sadie, did you eat Mama's $1 bills? You did, didn't you? Yes, you did. Did you eat Mama's $1 bills? You ate Mama's $1 bills, didn't you? Yes, you did. Callie Mae, it don't do no good to try and stick up for her, 'cause she did it. Didn't you? Sadie, you ate Mama's $1 bills. Mama was going to use that for the mitts tomorrow. What am I going to do now? You got my $1 bills. Sadie Bear. Now Mama has to make a trip to the bank so I can turn these in. You silly girl. I can understand you eating chocolate 'cause it tastes so good, but money? No. Sadie, look at Mama. Yeah, guilty dog. Guilty dog. Yes, you are.